This Vinchef Deep Anti-Scratch Pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a non-stick surface. Cooking becomes simpler. Food slides off easily. Cleaning up is a breeze. You will spend less time scrubbing, more time enjoying your meals. This pan is made from cast aluminum. It heats up quickly and evenly. No more hot spots. Your food will cook perfectly every time. The included lid helps trap heat and moisture. This is ideal for simmering and braising. The 10-inch size of this Vinchef Deep Anti-Scratch Pan is versatile. It is perfect for cooking for 1 or 2 people. It can also handle family-sized meals. The deep design prevents splatters. This keeps your stovetop cleaner. The anti-scratch coating is a big plus. You don't have to worry about using metal utensils. This pan is built to last. It offers great value for your money. Forget about those frustrating cooking shenanigans. This pan aims to please. This Vinchef Deep Anti-Scratch Pan is compatible with many stovetops. You can use it on gas, electric, and induction cooktops. This makes it a flexible choice. It is also dishwasher safe. Cleaning is even easier. Many stars could be given for its convenience. If you have questions about support, the brand often has ads. These ads highlight their employee commitment. They want you to be happy with your purchase. This pan truly delivers on its promises. It makes cooking a joy, not a chore. Pros: cast aluminum, multi-stovetops, dishwasher safe, includes a lid 10-inch size, chef's pan. Style: easy to clean, lightweight feel, heats up quickly, cooks evenly. Cons: non-stick may degrade over time, handles wood grain could wear, heat indicator not always accurate, some find it a bit heavy, not oven safe. Some models: only hand wash recommended, potential for damage in shipping, non-stick might not last forever. Features: non-stick coating, 10-inch size, chef's pan style, deep design, anti-scratch, cast aluminum. With lid, multi-stovetop use, dishwasher safe, durable build. This Vinchef frying pan is a 10-inch deep chef's pan made from strong cast aluminum. It has a non-stick coating that resists scratches, so food won't stick, and it's easy to clean in the dishwasher. This pan comes with a lid and can be used on different kinds of stoves. It's made to last for a long time. The Vinchef 10-inch chef's pan is a non-stick frying pan made from cast aluminum. It comes with a lid and works on different kinds of stovetops. It's easy to clean and feels light. The pan heats up fast and cooks food evenly. However, the non-stick coating might not last forever, and the wood grain on the handle could wear down. The heat indicator might not always be right, and some people might find the pan a bit heavy. It might not be safe to use in the oven, and washing by hand is often suggested. There's also a chance of damage when it's shipped.